ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணீயம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 90 ஸ்லோகா 11. யத்கிஞ்சித் அபி விதுஷா அபி விபோ மயோக்தம் தன்மத்ர சாஸ்திர வசனாத்யபி திருஷ்டமேவ व्यासोक्ति सारमय भागवतोपगीत क्लेशान् विधूय कुरु भक्तिभरं परात्मन्. Word by word meaning. Hey Vibho, O Lord. Avidusha api, though I am ignorant. Maya yat kinchit uktam, whatever has been said by me. Tat, that. Mantra Shastra Vachanadhya Bidrushtam Eva is only what is found in the Mantra Shastra and other works. He Vyasokti Sara Maya Bhagavatopagita Vyasasya Uktinam Purana Rupanam Saramaye Bhagavate Upagita. O thou who art sung about in the Bhagavata, which contains the essence of all that Vyasa has said. He Paratman, O Supreme Being, Kleshan Vidhuya, eradicating all my afflictions. Bhakti Bharam Kuru, endow me with firm devotion. Full meaning. O Lord, ignorant as I am, whatever I have said is only from the Mantra Shastra and other works. O Supreme Being, who art sung about in the Bhagavata, which is the essence of all of Vyasa's works, deign to eradicate my ailments and endow me with firm devotion to thee. Om Tat Sat.